Hello dear class 10 students. Today I am explaining the mole concept. Very important chapter. Okay. Mole concept. Now first of all you need to know what is mole. Mole is the amount of substance. Mole is the amount of substance that equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. Mind the number 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. Some of the books has written 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. Atoms, molecules, ions, electrons, whatever it is. Okay, again I am telling mole is the substance that equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms, molecules, ions, electrons, etc. And this number is known as Avogadro's number. It is the Avogadro's hypothesis. You can't count that one, no? 10 to the power of 26.022 into 10 to the power of 23. Okay, 1 mole of substance, like you are given 1 mole of substance. Okay, in your periodic table, it is written like sodium, atomic number 11, atomic mass 23. If anybody asks you what is written over there, from today you need to read that one. It is 1 mole of sodium. Okay, that means molar mass of sodium is 23. It is given. Okay, if anybody asks what is the mass of 1 atom of sodium, 1 atom of sodium, that means you know in your periodic table it is written 1 mole of sodium. So now what is the mass of 1 atom of sodium? You need to divide 23 by Avogadro number, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. Okay, it is the number of mole, one of the thing. And Avogadro's hypothesis, it is equal volume of all gases contain equal number of molecules. Equal volume of all gases contain equal number of molecules. Okay, now how to find the number of mole by the help of Avogadro number. So you can write mole is equal to given number of particles or given number of atoms, given number of molecules, whatever it is, divided by Avogadro's number. It is the number of mole. Okay. Given number of particles, which is atoms, molecules, ions, electron, whatever it is. Okay, you need to divide the given number of particles by the Avogadro number, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. Okay. Now, I told equal volume of all gases contain equal number of molecules. Okay, how to prove? Okay, take 3 cylinder, same volume, same size. I mean to say like hydrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, 3 gas cylinder. Okay, that is volume is x centimeter cube or 1 liter. Okay, let it be x centimeter cube. So x centimeter cube hydrogen is there, x centimeter cube oxygen is there, x centimeter cube carbon dioxide is there. Okay. Okay. Now find the number of moles. How to find? I told equal volume of all gases contain equal number of molecules. And 1 mole of any gas volume at STP. Again I am telling you, 1 mole of any gas volume at STP is 22.4 dm cube or liter. 22.4 dm cube or liter. How to convert it into centimeter cube? Okay, 22.4 multiplied by 1000. It will convert into cubic centimeter or centimeter cube. Okay, now find the number of moles. X centimeter cube is given. So number of moles or mole equal to given volume by molar volume. What is the molar volume? Molar volume means volume of 1 mole of a gas. Molar volume means volume of 1 mole of a gas. What I told? The volume of 1 mole of a gas at STP is 22.4 dm cube. The decimeter cube or cubic decimeter or 22.4 into 1000 cubic centimeter cube. Okay. Now what is the number of mole? X divided by 22.4 into 1000. The 22400. Okay. 22400 centimeter cube. It is the number of mole for what? Hydrogen gas. Similarly, find out the number of moles of oxygen. Same. X divided by X is the given volume and the molar volume is 22400. Okay. Number of mole. So hydrogen and oxygen number of mole will be the same. Okay. Now find out the number of molecules. How to find the number of molecules? You know, 1 mole of any substance contain 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms, molecules or ions, electrons. Okay. Now, simply multiply. Okay. Then X divided by 22.4 22400. Okay. It is the number of mole multiplied by Avogadro's number. It will be the number of molecules. Similarly, oxygen, similarly carbon dioxide. It is very simple. So, equal volume of all gases contain equal number of molecules. Hopefully you understood. Now, another is there. Mole is the ratio between given mass to molar mass. Okay. Molar mass, what is that? Molar mass? Molar mass means mass of 1 mole of a substance. Mass of 1 mole of a substance. What is written in your periodic table? Sodium 23, potassium 39, calcium 40, iron 56, like that. Okay. Now, it is the molar mass. Now, you are provided 2.4 gram of magnesium. You are provided or you are doing some experiment with 2.4 gram of magnesium. First of all, you need to find out the number of mole. How to find out? Mole equal to mass divided by molar mass. What mass is given? 2.4 divided by 24. Because of molar mass of magnesium is 24. That is 0.1 mole. Okay. And you can relate. If you can find out the number of mole, you can find out the number of particles, volume, mass, everything. Because everything is related to mole. What I am telling that, I told mole equal to given number of particles divided by Avogadro's number, it is 1. Mole equal to given volume of a gas divided by molar volume of the gas. Okay, molar volume of a gas is fixed, that is 22.4 dm cube at STP. Okay. But room condition it will different, but in your syllabus room condition is not there. Okay. That is why I am not explaining room condition. At room temperature and pressure, RTP, room temperature pressure, 1 mole of any gas volume is 24 dm cube or 24000 centimeter cube. Okay. Now, what I told? And mole equal to given mass by molar mass. If you find out the number of mole, you can easily find out all the volume, mass, number of particles, everything. Now, I told only with the element. Now, how to find out? How to find out the molar mass of a compound? Like you are given 5.3 gram of sodium carbonate. You are provided 5.3 gram of sodium carbonate. What is that? That is, you need to write the formula. You need to write the formula of sodium carbonate. Na2CO3. Na2CO3. So Na2, 2 Na. That means 2 sodium. That means 2 mole of sodium, 1 mole of carbon, 2 Na plus 1 carbon plus 3 oxygen. Understood? Okay. So 2 into 23, it is the molar mass of sodium. 2 into 23 plus carbon is 12 plus 3 into 16. Okay, it will become 106. Now find out the number of mole. 5.3 divided by 1.6. What will be the result? It will be the number of moles. And 1.6 is the molar mass of sodium carbonate. Okay. Today that's all. In the next class I will explain more.